Your office is all the way down at the end. You have your own attached bathroom, by the way. Oh, here's one of our best researchers, Dick.
Hey.
Hello there.
What's up, dude? Glad to see there's another brother in this stuffy place.
So, this is gonna be your assistant, Genevieve. Genevieve,
What is this? It's The Shining, man. All black people have The Shining. You never shined with another black person before?
No. I grew up in a white neighborhood and then went to Dartmouth. I've met other black people before, but not like this.
You gotta get shined at by another black person first, and then you get it. It's kind of like Facebook.
What up, dudes? So every black person has this? Is Kobe listening?
Yo, what up?
Wow. Denzel Washington?
I'm here, I'm present, and I will always be around.
Lil Jon?
Yeah! Excuse me, Lil Jon. Welcome, Ray. Glad to have you on board.
Oh, shit! What's up, Barack Obama? Wouldn't that be something if Barack Obama just showed up?
your startup paperwork's right over here.
Then you gotta be more careful. Learn to use the shine. Tune in and out of it. Otherwise, you won't be able to sort out who's talking. Go, go. What you wanna drink, girl?
Dude, drink some Coke 45, most liquor.
Is everything okay?
Great. Listen for Morgan. Morgan Freeman. He will guide you. Listen to my voice, Ray. Now just stay calm and focus on that white one.
Everything's going to be okay.
Why don't you finish up this paperwork, bring it to Jennifer in my office.
Now pick up that letter opener and kill that white man. Bye.